important that it's election day. So the first thing that I would like for you to do is to get out your phones, please. Yes, that's weird. Miss Carbling says, get out your phones. I did. And I want you to take a picture of this, and I want you to send that to your parents. Okay? I want you to send it to anybody else that you know who's 18 already. Okay? Anybody who's 18 and can vote, send it to them. Your baseball coach, your rowing coach, your dance coach, your boss, your manager, anybody who's 18, send that to them. Take a picture, say, my physics teacher says it's important to vote.
Highest voter turnout rate since 1962.
For a midterm? I know, I'm excited. Hopefully it's a good voter turnout. Hopefully the right people voting, you know.
Oh yeah, every ball.
I'm excited. I'm really charged up. But it's, here we go. All right, so anyway, everybody's got that picture taken? Send it to everybody that you know that's 18 that is eligible to vote. Okay, awesome. Thank you. That's the first thing we need to do. All right. Let me tell you the rest of the plan for the day. So we are going to work on the cart and pulley lab. If you need to take data, whether it's because you don't have the data anymore or you didn't quite get all the data, that's what we're going to do first. That's the number one priority. Then we're going to do some data analysis today. My intention is for you to finish this lab today in class and just turn it in. Okay? That's what I am hoping for you. Okay? Then we're going to do a little problem solving if we have time. If we don't, that's okay too. You do have some homework regardless of how far we get today. Okay? So if you want to write that down right now, it's not up on Canvas yet. I'll try and get it up there while you guys are labbing today. But this homework, 19, 20, 24, 42, 43, 6 questions. 5 questions is due for tomorrow. Yeah.
What is our test?
So you're going to have a test on Thursday. This Thursday, like 2 days from now. Okay. So I'm going to get you, so today if we have time, we'll do some problem solving. And then tomorrow we're going to have problems to work all day. Okay? And then you're going to test on Tuesday. Then on Thursday, my bad. And then Friday, Monday, Tuesday, we're going to do some like application stuff that will also be assessed, but it's not going to be assessed on a test. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. I want to give us a little room to be able to do a retake, which is why I don't want to test on the 15th, because I feel like that it's like done. So,
I'll have to do mine.
All right. Questions on this before we get started? Okay. So I'm going to get started for just a second because I want to say a couple things really quickly before you go. So just so that you're very much aware of what you need to do. So this is the lab that you have in front of you, right? We did some analysis. You are taking data. You are writing down times. You're writing down masses. Please make sure that you have recorded the distance that your cart travels, because if you don't record that, then you can't do the math to figure out the acceleration. Okay, so make sure that you've written down that distance, otherwise you can't do it. So you have velocity, distance, time, and you're going to calculate the acceleration. So you've got some sort of data table. Every person will need to have a data table. It does not have to look like this. It does not have to look like this. This is just a suggested approach. So you've got your variable, whether it's the mass of the cart, and again, you could just call that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or the mass of the, Malik, are you okay? What's going on? I feel like you're not listening to me right now, so no. Okay. Or the mass of the washers, and again, here you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever those are. You don't need to actually, we're not going to mass them in grams or kilograms today. I don't feel like that's necessary. Then you're going to write down your times, average time, and then you do need to calculate your accelerations, okay? If you want to do that on the computer, you're welcome to. If you want to just do it by hand, that's fine too. Once you've done that, then on the next piece of paper, oops, it's not on that one, sorry. Boop, back over here. So that's the first 2 pages. Once you've done that, then I'm going to give you the blue page. I'm not going to give it to you right now because it's overwhelming, but there's graph paper right here for you, okay? Independent variable, dependent variable, except your variable is not going to be time because I want you to use acceleration. Does that make sense? So you're going to do your independent variable of mass on the x-axis. You're going to do your acceleration on the y-axis because that's what we're trying to figure out. How is the acceleration affected by blah, blah, blah? Okay, so accelerations go over here. Once you've got your graph, then you're going to fill out the answers to the analysis questions on the back of this one. Okay? I think this should not be a problem to get done today in class, and then we'll do some more problem solving if we have time as well. Okay. I know there are a couple people gone, so if we need to reassign groups, we can totally do that. But let's go ahead and get started, shall we?